Hello everyone, it's Gloria and welcome back to my channel. This video is a bit different from my normal channel content, so I hope you guys enjoy. A few days ago, I purchased the Earth Supplied product line from Sally Beauty. Earth Supply contains two sublines, Repair and Moisture and Strength and Length. These products do not contain any sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oils. From the Strength and Length line, I purchased the Strong Strands Protein Mask, Anti-Break Shine Oil, Retention Oil Serum, and the Hair Slip Conditioning Detangler. All of these products contain Jamaican black castor oil and Chinese bamboo. As you may know, castor oil is high in antioxidants to support keratin in the hair, while bamboo extract is known to support strength and elasticity. From the Moisture and Repair subline, I purchased the shampoo, rinse out conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and creamy defining jello. These products contain African shea butter to moisturize and nourish the scalp, and Southeast Asian coconut to shine and protect hair against shedding. I'm starting off with the Moisture and Repair shampoo. I'm going to speed the wash process up for you guys. I usually wash my hair twice, so here I am washing my hair for the first time. It didn't lather for me as much as I would like. Probably because I did have a lot of product buildup as well as oil in my hair. I'm starting off with a 2-week-old twist out, so I'm rinsing it out now to prepare it for the second wash. I purchased my shampoo handle from my local beauty supply. Now I'm going in with the second wash, and you can definitely tell the difference with the lather. It lathered way more and fairly quickly. Before rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going to scalp massage with my Vanity Planet Rejuvenating Scalp Massager. I purchased this a few years back from Sam's Club. The retail value is about 12 bucks. I do this during every wash. Scalp massaging promotes hair growth. I typically take about 10 to 15 minutes to scalp massage. That may sound like a long time, but I take my time because it allows me to exfoliate and opens up my pores to get me ready to condition my hair. So I clearly sped up the exfoliating process for you guys. And next I'm going to rinse out my shampoo. I did notice after the second wash I had that squeaky clean feeling, so I could tell that my hair was stripped from its natural oils, but I'm hoping the conditioner will restore this. Next, I'm going to go in with the Rinse Out Conditioner from the Moisture and Repair line. I can definitely smell the shea butter as well as the coconut oil. It had a nice creamy consistency, wasn't too thick. So I'm applying the conditioner to my hair now. I did let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 5 minutes per the directions on the back of the bottle. Now I'm rinsing out the conditioner. I did notice that the moisture was restored. My hair felt extremely soft, and I can tell that the conditioner was very hydrating. My hair pretty much soaked it up. Now I'm rinsing it out and just draining my hair from the excess water. After removing the excess water, I applied the Hair Slip Conditioning Detangler. This detangler is extremely light, has a nice creamy feel to it. So for the first section, I detangle with my wide tooth comb. I applied a lot of this product just because I wasn't sure how great the slip would be, but it had a very nice slip. So I felt more comfortable with just finger detangling after this initial section. Of course, when you're detangling, your hands are very messy and wet, so it became hard to pump the bottle to get the detangler out, so I had to stop and dry my hands consistently in order for me to pump efficiently. But here I've already separated my hair into large sections and twisted it up after I detangled. I'm rinsing out the detangler. I left the twist in my hair just because it's easier for me to work with. I do want to note that the detangler is a leave-in, so you don't have to rinse it out. I decided I wanted to. I'm following this up with a deep treatment. To deep condition my hair, I'm using the Strong Strands Protein Mask. This mask is extremely thick. It was kind of hard for me to actually dig into it, but it smelled wonderful. I applied the mask off camera by untwisting one section at a time. As you can see, my curls are very defined, but I did notice that the mask was heavy on my head. Since I'm doing a deep conditioner, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap. I purchased these from Walmart for about $2. Now I'm covering my hair, making sure all the strands are within the cap. After allowing the mask to set for 15 minutes, I'm going to wash it out. Here I'm just taking off the cap. I did use 2 caps to make sure all the strands were inside of it. My hair is still feeling heavy at this point, but very moisturized. Now I'm rinsing out my hair and I'm going to speed up this process. I can feel my hair getting lighter as I rinse out the deep treatment mask. I'm going to squeeze out the excess water again. I dried my hair with a t-shirt instead of a towel. My curls are defined. My hair has a natural shine. Next, I'm applying the leave-in conditioner from the Moisture and Repair line. This had a similar consistency of the deep treatment mask. It's thick and creamy and smells like shea butter. Now I am sectioning my hair into medium-sized sections and braid it while I'm applying the conditioner. I like to use a lot of product because I have thick hair. And I'm going to speed up this process for you guys as well. After braiding my hair, I'm going to grease my scalp with the retention oil serum. This smelled exactly like Jamaican black castor oil. I do apologize for not being in the shot. I was using a mirror to part and grease my scalp. The anti-break shine oil can be used as a hot oil treatment. I applied it to my braids at room temperature. I'm coating the full braid as well as my ends because this is the driest section of my hair. I also make sure to oil the back of my hair as well as my edges. The Strong Strands Protein Mask retails at $7.99. The Hair Slip Conditioning Detangler and Anti-Break Shine Oil is $5.99, and the Retention Oil Serum is $4.99. The Cream and Defining Jello retails at $5.99. The shampoo and rinse out conditioner are both $4.99, and the leave-in conditioner is $6.99. The Creamy Defining Jello is to be used for wash and goes. However, I tried out this product a few days after this video, styling my hair in 2-strand twists. After my twist dried, I realized that there was a white residue left on my hair. This will be the only con I have for this product. It had a nice slip, a great smell, and also made my hair very soft. This is my first product review, so I'm raffling off a new jar of the Strong Strands Protein Mask. To qualify, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment below your Instagram handle so I can follow you back, and that lets me know that you want to be entered into the raffle. Winner will be announced on YouTube Saturday, April 11th. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Until next time.